Welcome to the American Dream Selling Louisiana. I'm your host, Crystal Bona.
So like we say here, laissez le bon temps rouler, let the good times roll.
It just reminded me of how special New Orleans is, and you get a product like this. So I had to come and get some coffee this morning because I said this place looks awesome.
I'm going to show you how we celebrate on the Bogafalaya River at the Bluesberry Music and Art Festival.
And welcome to downtown Baton Rouge. My name is Natasha Engel, your real estate and lifestyle expert.
So come along with me today as we tour West Feliciana Parish and Zachary, Louisiana.